What you're about to see is a video of Julius Malema calling people who have been participating in this march and march thing is vigilantes, and saying that they don't represent the majority of South Africans, or they don't represent South Africans. Like, check this out.
Frustration must never become hatred, and it must never become violence. We must never allow certain politicians or vigilantes to abuse the hardship caused by a failing economy to scapegoat and incite violence against foreign nationals to promote their own agendas. We are better than that. South Africans are not a hateful people. We are a decent, generous, resilient, loving people. In our transition to democracy, we were an example to the whole world that divisions can be resolved peacefully. Now, at this moment, let us once again show the best of who we are, not the worst of who we are. Let us show the best of our values, the best of our country. If people have come to our country illegally, the law must be applied, but it must be applied with the full knowledge that we are dealing with human beings. So we must condemn those who speak words they know may cost lives, but speak them anyway. To act with such lack of concern exposes a gaping hole in their souls where their humanity should be. These people are not leaders, and their words promise only violence and chaos for our country. To them I say, you do not speak for the people of South Africa.